Hi, today I'm talking about a jewelry piece that I own from Van Cleef and Arpels. Let's begin. Quickly, for people who are not familiar with Van Cleef and Arpels, it is in the top luxury jewelry brands in the world. The jewelry item that I'm talking about today is from the four-leaf, clover-inspired Alhambra collection. Here is the VCA packaging. White box and sage green ribbon. Yep. This is the empty box. I just got them wrapped and packed like this, and got my necklace in a travel pouch. So here is the box. I really like the jewelry box. This is quite nice. Can you take a guess what it is? Like, let me know in the comment section below. What do you think it is? Let's find out now. Isn't this beautiful? This is the vintage Alhambra pendant. The pendant features the iconic Alhambra motif. It is made up of 18-carat solid yellow gold and the white mother of pearl. Mother of pearl is a natural material that is made from the iridescent nacre that lines the inside of shells. However, the mother of pearl is a delicate material and should be avoided contact with water or chemicals. Let's take this out. Let me give you one more close up. The necklace length has two settings. Mine is around 14 and 16 inches in length. On the website, it says 16.54 inches to be precise. VCA also provides the option to lengthen the chain. In case you need a longer length setting, it is possible. Interestingly, the front and the back of the pendant are same, so you can wear it either side. In my opinion, this is a reflection of an elegant and thoughtful design. Let's see how it sits on the neck. It has a lobster clasp, so God help me. Amazing. I'm wearing it on the 16 inches length setting. The pendant is attached to the necklace's chain, which makes the pendant stay in its place and doesn't move, which is quite convenient. I find it annoying when the pendant is not attached to the chain, and with the neck movement, the clasp of the chain keeps coming in front. Ruins the look, isn't it? Or is it just me? The vintage size of the Alhambra motif is perfect for my liking. The pendant also comes in a smaller and a larger size. Smaller one is called the Sweet Alhambra and the larger one is called the Magic Alhambra. I got this necklace for my birthday last year and have worn this multiple times already. It gives me so much joy every single time I wear it. It is so adorable and goes with absolutely everything. The Alhambra motif, adorned with the small beads, give the pendant a very delicate and feminine touch. Besides that, the mother of pearl gives the pendant a soft and unique shine that varies depending on the angle and the light. This makes the pendant so much more interesting. In my opinion, the combination of the 18 karat yellow gold and the mother of pearl create a beautiful contrast that makes a pendant stand out. The simplicity of the necklace with such minute details make it all the more appealing. The vintage Alhambra necklace with the mother of pearl is priced at $2,750 excluding taxes. Along with the itemized bill, you also get care services booklet and the certificate of authenticity. Let me show you. This is the itemized bill, and this is the care advice services booklet and the certificate of authenticity. I think after COVID, due to inventory issues, they don't provide the jewelry travel pouches unless the client asks for one. So don't forget to ask for the travel pouch. This is the travel pouch. This is also very nice. It has a velvety touch to it. Yeah, it's nice. My shopping experience was pretty amazing at VCA. The essay was super helpful. His name is Tommy. Hi, Tommy, if you're watching this. This was my first time shopping at VCA, and he helped me with all the questions I had and let me try on all the jewelry pieces I was interested in. Yeah, all right, this was what I had in store for today. I do have other jewelry pieces from VCA which I'll be posting about soon. Hopefully, this video helped you in some way. See you next time. Bye.